Printech Solutions India Private Limited is the pioneer in printer consumables supply and service for around 2 decades. It was founded in 1996 by Mr. B. Dinakara Shetty, who is an entrepreneur with an extensive management experience of more than 20 years.
Started Printech Solutions way back in 1996. We are one of the pioneers in our industry and today one of the big players with 7 branches catering to 17 districts across Karnataka.
Printech Solutions, a one-stop solution for all your printing needs. We provide end-to-end printer-related services. Be it refilling, recycling or OEM supplies, we can be your one-point vendor. We have mechanized cleaning technology and filling cartridges, and our service engineers are well trained to give 100 quality assurance. Printech Solutions started 2 decades before have gained the trust of our 3,000 customers across Karnataka in refilling. Now with the same reputation, we are introducing our own compatible laser toner cartridge in the brand name, Priceless, which is comparatively economical than the other cartridges. Priceless cartridges are designed to deliver the best quality from the very first page until the end. We cater priceless cartridges for all brands of printers such as HP, Canon, Brother at an affordable price with 100 guarantee. We have joined hands with Green Tech Reman Private Limited, one of the top 10 e-waste management company in India, in order to protect our environment from any hazardous consequences due to inappropriate disposal of e-waste. We have saved more than 3 lakhs of cartridges from being dumped into environment which causes pollution. We are authorized partners for multiple IT brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, and software brands like Microsoft, AWS, etc., and networking products from like Cisco, Belkin, Logitech, and Epson, etc. We also help organizations which has large printing needs through our managed print service, by reducing the CapEx and operate only on OpEx, where you can reduce capital expenditure and improve cash flow, and also we can assure you with accurate and anticipated budgeting. Customer satisfaction is our reality. We do give our best customer support by answering to all their queries on time. Our head office is at Bangalore and have branches at Hubli, Davangere, Shimoga, Udupi, Mangalore and Mysore, covering 17 districts in Karnataka.
And as we evolved, we have become a pan-India company and we have upgraded ourselves to MPS, what is called Managed Print Services.
We don't want to be a vendor to a customer. We want to be a friend and advisor to the customer. So we want to analyze what the customer wants and we will suggest.
Our vision for the company is to build a strong and successful brand in IT, printing segment which would be synonymous with quality and affordable solutions. We do things differently and together we are building a successful team.
Printech Solutions India Private Limited.